Today, we will explore 10 Bible verses that have the power to change your life if you truly reflect on their meaning. Take a deep breath, open your mind, and allow these words to speak to your heart. 1. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This verse reminds us that even when life feels confusing, there is a bigger purpose unfolding. The struggles you face today may be shaping the person you are meant to become tomorrow. 2. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Many people underestimate their strength, but this verse teaches that true strength comes from faith. When you believe that God supports you, even the hardest obstacles become possible to overcome. 3. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Life often presents situations we cannot fully understand. Instead of trying to control everything, this verse teaches us to trust and allow faith to guide our steps. 4. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. Fear can paralyze our decisions and hold us back from our purpose. But this verse reminds us that we are never alone, and with faith we can face life with courage. 5. Romans 12:2. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. True change begins in the mind. When we shift our thoughts toward truth, compassion, and wisdom, our entire life begins to transform. 6. Matthew 6:33. Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. When we focus on what truly matters, faith, love, and integrity, everything else begins to fall into place naturally. 7. Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. In a world full of noise and constant activity, this verse invites us to pause. Sometimes the greatest clarity comes when we simply become still and trust in God's presence. 8. Galatians 6:9. Let us not grow weary in doing good. Doing the right thing is not always easy, and sometimes it feels like our efforts go unnoticed. But this verse reminds us that patience and perseverance eventually bring rewards. 9. John 8:32. You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. True freedom comes from understanding truth about ourselves, our purpose, and our faith. 10. 2 Timothy 1:7. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and self-discipline. This powerful reminder encourages us to live boldly. Fear does not define us. Faith, love, and courage do.